Good afternoon. My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax in Maryland, and today we're going to find a home for this recent trade-in. She's a 2008 Sea Ray Select 250. If you walk on through, you're going to notice that she has a center walk-through. There is a fillable area here for backrest and seat cushion. As we come into the cockpit, you'll note that she has a freshwater sink. By the way, she does have a freshwater washdown on the swim platform. She's got a nice fridge here, which means she has shore power as well. You've got ample seating inside. You'll notice there's a nice table mount here. There's an additional one up in the bow, but we'll get there in a minute. As we come in farther into the cockpit, you'll notice we have matching seats for the captain and companion, both of them with seat bolsters. Nice electronics added to it. We've got a pump out head here as well. It's hard to see in this video. One of the most important things is her yacht certification. It's a 25-foot boat. You don't find many of those out there with yacht certifications. It's what makes the SLX 250 such a powerful seller. As we come into the bow, we've got nice ample seating up here. You'll notice at my feet there's room for another table here. So you can have your table either in the bow or in the cockpit, whatever's most convenient where people are hanging out. I'm kind of in the way of her topside windlass. That's always a nice feature if you want to anchor out, hang out with your buddies. She does have a nice tower that's kind of hard to see in the video. You know what the easiest way to come see this boat? Come on down to MarineMax Maryland. We'd love to show you this boat. We just got her in. She wants a home, and we're looking forward to seeing you. My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Talk to you soon.